These are the BUSOKIP wheat straw plates. They come in gorgeous colors, and they also have these gorgeous designs on the back. These plates are made of wheat straw fiber. They are unbreakable, and they are also lightweight. They're perfect for kids to be able to use because of how lightweight they are, and if they drop them, they're not going to break them. I love that these plates are made out of wheat straw and that they're so durable you can actually put them in the microwave or the dishwasher.